Hey folks, it's us, a married black couple traveling the world while living on vacation.
Is that time to go shopping, and we are heading to MR.DIY, and if you know, you know. We are here picking up some knickknacks for the house, things people don't plan on when they relocate. Yes, this flat mop is only 59 baht, which is like $2. In the States, it's probably almost $6 or $7 if I'm lucky. This store has everything. If you can think of it, they have it for the home, your garden area, any tools, painting supplies, even a little area for your little pets or your miniature family members, as some say. Fans, air fryers. Look at this. This place is great if you're looking to decorate your home when you move abroad, or if you're just looking to upgrade some things and buy some knickknacks when you're staying abroad. The DIY store in Bangkok, Thailand, is absolutely wonderful. While taking some time just to stroll through, I see all these little Furbies and things for the kitchen towels. Of course, we had to stop and pick some of these up. You know, look at this pricing. There are some little slipper slides. I am so lucky I don't have my niece with me, because you guys know from my previous videos, Jayana is my little rugrat and I would be spoiling her. But we did need to pick up some sheets. These kitchen towels were only 25 bahts, which is about 60 cents, which is crazy. So we picked up a couple of those. We did need to pick up some pans. As you can see, we had 2 whole carts full. Let's talk about it. We did go to the DIY and we got a little haul. Let's take a look and see. There's some socks. Of course, you know you can never go wrong with a few little hook hangers. Some fitted sheets, of course, some gloves. Never go wrong with having one of these outlet plugs. Some electronic plugs, earbuds. Nika got her some glasses, more quick plug chargers, mouse pad. She got her 2 little bags. She needed a new black bag. We got 4 towels. These are big bathroom towels, 70 by 140 centimeters. And 2 packs of kitchen towel sets, as you can tell. This one has 3-piece, this has 2-piece, sponges, a big flat mop broom that you guys saw in the other video. Oh, let's come around. The kitchen and the sink is empty. Oh, so we have Kool-Aid pitcher, juice pitchers, 4 bowls, lemon squeezer. We needed some more spoons, forks, of course a whisk, flat spoon. What is that, a peeler? Some more tongs to grab stuff. Knives. You can never have enough knives, trust me. Measuring set. Kitchen scissors, some wooden spoons, flats, knife sharpeners, more knives. You can tell Nico and I were together while we're shopping. She got one and I got one. Ooh, chopping board, some bathroom stuff. What is this? Toothbrush cup, toothpaste holder, soap dish, spatula. Kind of splurged a little bit on the frying pan. These were a little more expensive. They're the non-stick ones. Some mixing bowls, and then a sauce pan, of course, that we got, which is also non-stick, which is probably the biggest part. And of course that. Let's see. So, of course, the DIY, the receipt. Oh my God, we went shopping. There's Nika, say hey.
Hi from Nika.
She's so stupid. So this is so long, and we spent, as you can see on the other video, 4,200 baht, which what does that equate to? About 120 bucks.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share, and follow. We'll see you later.
And bye from Kanika.